If someone comes to you and asks you to choose, you are allowed to take one thing of two. You'd rather coal or diamond. What would you choose? Although the answer is clear, I want to add one thing before you answer. What makes the diamond so special and the coal that average? What makes the diamond diamond and the coal coal? But first I want you to listen to this, because your whole life is just about what you would choose. Coal or diamond? So I want to clarify something. Have you ever wondered why every single time when you are in the middle of the path you are passing through for your vision, or trying to achieve your dream, or work for something that you really want in life, obstacles never stop. Problems come one after another. Sometimes they break you, and others just take you back to the zero. While in almost of times, circumstances gathered all to face you, although they didn't even exist before, and somehow they come to you, and especially in your beginnings, while you are trying hardly to achieve your dreams. Why all that pressure on you? Why all that pain? Sometimes it depresses you, while others it stops you. Why the world is against you, and storms come to you to break you, and this drags you down? Why all this high pressure on you most of times? Why don't you get what you want from the first try? And all the doors are closed. And even in your inside, you are just so exhausted and tired? What will you do in this situation? Will you stop? Give up? Quit everything just because life is so hard? All this high pressure comes to make you. Yes, the high pressure, the problems, and all the circumstances that you don't like. And even those obstacles came just to make the person you dreamed to be. Yes, it is hard. It may give darkness on your path, and may also depress you, and make you sad, angry, frustrated. Sometimes it suffocates you and hurts you so much. In life there is two categories of people, not three, and not four, and not million. Only two, coal and diamond. Have you ever wondered about the difference between both? What is the difference between coal and diamond? Is it the shape, color, price? Well, both are the same. There is no difference between them. Both are a mineral, composed of carbon. Diamond and coal are the same, carbon only. But the thing that makes carbon either diamond or coal is the high pressure, the high temperature, and the long time. While when it is coal, the carbon doesn't incur all of the circumstances. Yes, the circumstances, high pressure, and the time, problems, sadness, pain. Doesn't that remind you something? Your life, what you feel every day, the path that you're walking through to get what you want. All these make you. Make the person of your dreams. Make your vision. You have only to hold this. Withstand. Never give up. Just keep on. Under the pressure, the high temperature, and the pain. Keep going. Never quit. And when time comes, you will see yourself the way you want it. So I repeat the question again to you. When all these happen, will you quit or keep on? So either diamond or coal. It is up to you. This is how you achieve your goal.